Kia Sportage QL. Cluster fascia panel replacement. Component location. Replacement. 1. Remove the center fascia lower panel. Refer to center fascia panel. 2. Using a remover, remove the front door scuff trim, A. 3. Remove the hood latch release handle, A. 4. Using a remover, remove the cowl side trim, A. 5. Using a remover, remove the crash pad side cover, LH, A. 6. Loosen the mounting screws and remove the crash pad lower panel, A. 7. Disconnect the crash pad lower switch connector, A. 8. Loosen the mounting screws and remove the crash pad garnish, LH, A. 9. Disconnect the crash pad side switch connector, A. 10. Loosen the mounting screws and remove the cluster fascia panel, A. 11. Install in the reverse order of removal. Replace any damaged clips. Let me know if you have any other questions or requests.